Well, good morning, everybody. It's the 3rd of December, and I went ahead and got that stereo put back in. So the speaker's working. I got it on a TV now. I got it on a DVD, and I'm going to turn it up a little bit, see how this sounds. I don't know how that comes through to you guys, but it sounds pretty awesome where I'm at. There's the 4 speakers and the bass. Yeah, I can't turn the movie on. I'll probably get it for a copyright. But there it is. It's all in. I'll catch you guys in a minute. Hey guys, I just got this today. It's a 45-degree filler tube for my propane tank that I have under the bus. And the propane filler nozzle was having a hard time getting in there because of the top of my door. If you remember right on my earlier videos, I had raised up the tank. Therefore, my door didn't actually fit properly anymore. So far as where the nozzle, the propane filling nozzle would come in the door. So I have to angle it down now so we can get the nozzle on there. But anyway, I found this online and was on eBay. And I got it from a place called Nash Fuel. Right there. And there's a part number in case anybody needs one of these. And it was $79, I believe it was. Yeah, right there, $79, 80 bucks. So, but it comes apart. It comes all disassembled, and I had to add tape to it here and here. And you have to use special propane tape for this. You can't use just regular water pipe tape. It has to be made for propane too. So I've got this all together. And I was going to go out and test it onto the car. I mean, onto the bus on the back where the propane tank is. So let's go see if this thing's going to work. Well, guys, here's my tank, and there's the filler nozzle. And as you can see, when you get right up here, there's the bottom of the door. See how it's in the way? So sorry about the light here. It's kind of dark in the shop. So this thing is made to hook on right here. Sorry about that, guys. I wasn't paying attention. But anyway, now it's going to sit like that. See? And let's see if the door closes. Yeah, the door closes. So basically what I have to do now is get in there and just tighten that up really good. Make sure everything is good and check it for leaks. And I think I'm pretty happy with that. That was a good addition. Saved me a lot of work. I was thinking I was going to have to put some spacers up here and lower this down a little bit, but as you can see, the tank is about as low as I want to take it. Yeah. So, boy, I'm happy with that. I'm glad I did this. All right, on to the next thing. Well, guys, I'm improving one more thing here, too. This little swing around table here. I decided it needed cup holders so we could use it if we were going down the road with it. So, I was thinking about putting one here and one here. That way it's on the right-hand side of each person that's sitting here. And it'll keep their drinks from spilling. What I got was 4 1/8 inch plastic inserts. So I'm going to be cutting a 3 5/8 inch hole right here so they'll fit real snug. And tighten them down in there, and they'll be black plastic. And I think they'll work out really good. reason I started thinking about that is the little console I built here. And I was going to put a, here, let me find it. Oh yeah, here it is. I was going to put this on it. It's one of those, I'm trying to do this one-handed, flip open cup holders. See, I was going to mount that on the front of this box up here, on this front of it. And I decided I really don't like this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a wood lid on this box that has a little piano hinge on the back of it, and it will extend out past the end here. Then I'm going to put a cup holder out here. That way I got full use of this box in here still, and it will be covered. So I can put things like sunglasses or whatever in there. And of course, you know, we have the hole inside down there where we can put items too. I already showed that to you. But not quite planning this thing out all the way. I should have sat down and really thought about it for a lot longer. But I got kind of bored and wanted to do something, and you know, I had a little bit of wood left over, so I thought I would just go ahead and use that birch up and make something, you know, for the front up here, because it really needed it. There is no place for a drink holder here. I'm not even sure I want one up on the dash. But, you know, the console's all being used for switches and that type of thing. Gas gauge switches. And I thought that would be a good spot for it. But anyway, I've got them ordered up on Amazon. They should be here in a few days. And I'll get the lid put on that. And I'll get all these cup holders put in. And that'll be an interesting little project. Okay, that's it for right now. Hey, you guys want to see something funny? I bought this fan off of eBay. Amazon for like $10. And it was just a little cheap fan. I didn't think I'd get hurt on it, you know, just goof around with. But I hooked it up there on the ceiling of the bus. I'm laying down here on the bed. I'm going to turn it on. That wobbling, noisy little piece of junk. I guess it would get the job done if you were just frying hot, but wonder how long that thing would run. I bet you'd run like maybe 3 or 4 hours and it would be toast. Yeah, I connected it over there on the wall. I had to adapt it, put a plug on it. Oh, this is funny. I just thought you guys would like to see that. Oh my God, I think it's going to self-destruct. I don't know why I get so much enjoyment out of this, but I do. Well, can you tell I'm getting bored? I need another project bad. I haven't even cut my hair, and look at me. I'm just all, I'm wilding out for the winter. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna call an end to this video. It was pretty much worthless anyway. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'll see you on the next one then. Bye bye.